Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's do a simple and easy Gongura chutney today. You will require onion, 6 to 7 pods of garlic. I've taken half of a big onion, and you will need clean Gongura leaves, and you will need mustard seeds for tempering, coriander seeds, chili powder, jeera seeds, turmeric powder, fenugreek seeds, and salt and oil. In a pan, dry roast fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, and jeera seeds. You need approximately a quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a tablespoon of coriander seed, and half a teaspoon of jeera seeds. This can be a rough estimate. It's for flavoring the Gongura chutney. The fenugreek seeds gives the mild bitter taste to the tangy Gongura leaves, and the jeera seeds gives a nice smoky aroma, and the coriander seed also gives a nice flavor to the chutney. And these three seeds balance out the tanginess of the Gongura chutney. Heat the oil in a pan. You can use any cooking oil. I'm using the canola oil here. If you prefer, you can use sesame seed oil too. Saute the onions, garlic, and Gongura leaves. I've done a rough chop, so I'm going to grind it into a rough paste after sauteing it. If you prefer, you can fine chop the onions, garlic, and the Gongura leaves and temper it in the end as it is. Saute the onions and garlic nicely. The onion should turn translucent, and once it is sauteed well, go ahead and add the Gongura leaves. The onion to Gongura leaf ratio is 1:2. If you take 1 part of onion, you should have 2 parts of Gongura leaves, or the vice versa. And make sure you saute the Gongura leaves nicely. If you don't saute it well, it will be like slimy and it will have a bitter taste to it. So make sure that you saute it well and let it cool down before grinding it in your mixer. I'm using a coffee grinder to grind the spices. Heat the oil in a pan, add in the mustard seed and wait until it crackles. Make sure you hear the crackling sound. And then you add the ground Gongura paste into the mustard seed and oil. And if you're using it for the same day, you can immediately add in the chili, turmeric, salt, and the dry roasted ground powder. Give it a mix and let it heat for a minute or so, and then you can use it as it is. If you want to store it for a longer period, make sure you saute the Gongura paste a little bit longer, and then add in the chili, turmeric, and salt. Give it a mix and make sure the moisture evaporates a little bit from the Gongura chutney. And then after some time, once the moisture is evaporated, add in the dry roasted ground powder and heat it for some more time. And once you feel all the moisture is evaporated, make sure you taste the chutney and adjust the salt and the chili powder according to your taste. Once you have made sure the salt and the spice levels are as per your taste and the chutney is heated thoroughly, you can switch off the stove. Add a couple of teaspoons of sesame oil or the cooking oil that you're using and let the mixture cool down and store it in an airtight container. As you have evaporated all the moisture from the chutney, it's now like a pickle. You can store it in an airtight container at room temperature for at least for about a month. This chutney goes well with idli, dosa, steamed white rice, and it also goes like a side accompaniment for curd rice. This is a simple and easy way of making a tasty Gongura chutney. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please do try it out and let me know in the comments box below. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and please do share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you until next time. Bye bye.